Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dogman, A Tale of Two Kitties, written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey, as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Chapter the 5th. Great Expectations. Meanwhile... Little Petey! Come out, wherever you are! Little Petey! Little Petey! 2 hours later...
Papa and me by Little Petey. To Papa. Papa and me are in the air. It rained and Papa and me went into the lab. Papa and me go to our car. Look at Papa's new invention. Papa and me think the same things. The end.
What have I done? Meanwhile 2.0...
What's the problem?
I think the smokestack is clogged.
Well, you better unclog it before the tank explodes.
Hey, what's this?
I'm not sure. Looks like some sort of evil bionic psychokinetic dead fish.
But how did it get stuck in our smokestack?
And who could be responsible for such a thing?
Meanwhile 3.0... Hey! What are you doing behind that plant? No, wait! No! Stop! Cut it out! Bad doggy! What is wrong with you? Listen, Dogman, it's time to go home. I'll see you in the morning, okay? And no more jumping. I'm getting too old for that stuff. Hey, there's a cat out there and... No! Get off of me! Stop! Enough! Bad doggy! Ugh! I was only gone for 10 seconds! Dogman, there's a cat outside. You need to get rid of him. And make it snappy. Hey! And so...
Oh look, how cute. Let's adopt this kitty. Okay, we can dye his fur pink to match our hair.
Oh, look! Let's take him home. Well, alright, but on one condition. We must get him declawed so he won't wreck our furniture. Okay.
Oh my, how precious. Would you like to live with me? You'll fit right in with my 29 other cats.
Is that your house? It looks bigger on the inside. Is that your bed? Woo! My bed is hard, but your bed is bouncy. Aww.
Triple Fliporama. Ready? Brush, brush, brush. Jump, jump, jump. Kiss, kiss, kiss.